In this video, we will show you how to replace your front grille lower trim molding on this Toyota Sienna. This will be located in the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the grille, you're going to find that you have several push clips making their way all the way across. There should be 6 of them out in the open. Push clips come in different shapes and sizes, but if they're the locking type, you need to carefully remove the center just enough that it unlocks the outer portion and you can lift the entire thing up and out of place. A quick inspection of each of the push clips as you continue, replace them as necessary. There should be one here. Ours is missing. Once again, missing in the center here. Keep making our way across. With all 6 of those push clips out of place, take hold of the grille, generally along one side or the other, and we'll just start pulling this away from the vehicle. And let's get this over to the bench. Now over on the bench, we have a blanket. We'll turn this over and we can have a look along the back side. On the back side of the grille is where you're going to find locking clips and several locating tabs. The locking clips are what we really need to pay attention to here. What we need to do is carefully press on those locking clips and press them away from the inner grille area. As we're pressing away and pressing down, you can see it separating. We'll continue on with each of the locking clips as we continue making our way around the grille. If you need to, you could lightly pry using a plastic trim tool. It's really up to you. That one already separated right there. We'll just continue making our way around. Separating pretty well. Right here's where we have one of our locking clips. Just press that away. Another locking clip right there. Just going to gently pry that away. Okay. Continue on down the line. Go. There's that one. Continue making our way across. Should get a little easier as we make our way to the side. There we are. Got a locating tab, some more locking tabs over here. Off of there. Okay. Now we can set the inner portion of the grille aside. There it is, friend. Let's prepare for our installation. We'll have a look along the back side of the grille trim molding here. You have all the locating tabs and your locking tabs. Those need to align with their corresponding holes on the plastic grille assembly. Once everything's aligned, we'll start pressing it in, listening for clicks, and double checking to make sure we're properly secured together. Just give it a little wiggle, should align everything. I'll start pressing it in. All right, let's get this over to the vehicle. Now it's time to install the grille assembly. Along the bottom here, you will have several locating tabs. Those locating tabs will fit along this area of the front bumper cover. We'll get this in position and slide it rearward towards the engine. Carefully pressing it in. There we are. Now we'll focus up along the top. We had 6 push clips that made their way across. Start them in, press them down. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. At this point, go ahead and close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test, and listen for funny noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.